Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over at the show centre. I wanted to show you a brand new addition installed yesterday. It's the new Marcolux windbreak that we've had added on to the canopy here that we're showing at the centre with the hot tub in. Press the button now, really lovely remote along with a switch, and this is a windbreak that comes all the way down there. You can see it's absolutely lovely. So I reached out to these guys recently after a first project I saw with one of these on, and yeah, we've now become official installers, all the training done yesterday, and what a neat and tidy product. I'm really pleased with it. The quality is immense, and the great thing about this is we can retrofit these, so these could be retrofitted onto projects that we've done. So we'll be reaching out to you in the near future if you've already had one of these canopies from us. Plus there's a great addition to any canopy. You could also imagine you could bring it onto the front as well, and you know, enclose the whole thing. You could have little window sections actually put in, so you can actually have like a plastic section added in if you wanted to. So what a great addition here. Thank you to Marcolux and the team for coming down yesterday and assisting us with the training, and hopefully this is something of interest to you. Lots of different colours. There's about 300 different materials you can have and different options. I've kept with a really similar grey, and I've got to say I'm really chuffed with it. I think it looks perfect. So there you go. That's our new Marcolux electric windbreak ready to go on our canopies. And if this is of interest to you, let me know. If you've got one of our buildings already with a canopy and you'd really like us to add this on, just give us a shout, let us know. It's something we can do for you. There we go. Thank you.